Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101, and we're standing in the Victory Park area of Dallas, and we're about to see a beautiful luxury apartment. It's called the Vista. The Vista is a pretty place, and we're gonna see inside. We're gonna see a beautiful apartment. We're gonna see the pool and amenities and more of this place. But before we do that, we always take a look and explore what's going on in the area and just kind of what the vibe is. So let me tell you a little bit about this area. This is the Victory Park area. So being in Victory Park means you're gonna have walking access to a lot of great restaurants, shops, and nightclubs and nightlife. This area is where the Dallas Mavericks are and the Dallas Stars are, so that's where they are going to have their games, and they're going to have their games down there in the American Airlines Center. So down there is a lot of activity. Today, you might hear a little bit of the noise, but there's an event going on. It's a Formula One event, so you might hear some revving. But that's what some of the people are here for. But it's Saturday, and people are just out and they're enjoying themselves, and it's just a fun area. By the way, right over there, and you can't really see it, but right over there is a street that has some great restaurants. It's Victory Park Lane. We're going to actually walk to it in a minute. But then beyond that is the 35. That's the highway where you can easily and quickly get to this residence. And then there is the North Dallas Tollway, which is another highway right next to it, which you can get to quickly and easily as well. So this is a beautiful area. It's quick to access. It's got incredible walkability, and we're going to explore a little bit of the walkability right now. So let's take a look. Victory Park is really new. It's nice. It's pretty much all new. It started from pretty much the ground up, and so it has somewhat of a downtown feel. But what you're going to find is it's not an old downtown feel where maybe some of the buildings need some repair, or you might have safety issues, those kind of things. You're not going to find that really at all here in this area. It's a new, very exciting area. There's so much going on, and we're still, by the way, right next to the Vista building, but now we're on Victory Park Road or Lane, and I want you to see just all the stuff that you have available here. So this is a very busy street already. It's about 11:30 or 12, and you've got Macero that's here. That's a great, really popular Tex-Mex restaurant. You've got some other stores that are down there, and restaurants and other retail. And then you've got a luxury cinema called Cinepolis. And then right next to me it's called Billy Can, and it's a great nightclub. You've got some other things down there. But then down here, you've got some additional things you can visit too. There is a wonderful steakhouse that's right here. There's a wine store that's right over there. And I'm going to walk to it just a little bit so you can see it, because I want you to get the vibe. The goal of the videos that we do are for you to get a vibe and give enough of a feel to where if you want to rent an apartment in the area, you'll have enough of a feel and enough information that you might not even need to visit in person. We want you to have so much comfort and so much information that you might just go, that tells me exactly what I need. So at Uptown 101, we have free apartment service, and we help people get perfect apartments in the Uptown, Victory Park, and areas that are nearby. And so we just want to make it easy, and our service is 100% free, always. All right, so let's see more of what's going on here. And that's a great street. It's just got a great feel. Across the street is a Chipotle and a Starbucks, by the way. So I wanted you to see that. And then look at all these. Look at all this. This just feels like a very cool, clean, almost clean Manhattan feel. It's just a great feel. So all these things you can walk to. Up here is called Insomnia Cookies, so you can get cookies that are fresh at almost any time of the day. And this is a big event that's going on over there that I was telling you about. So that's going on over there. And then if you go back here, those are the things I was telling you about too. And there's even more stuff that's over there past that one block. And there's things that are on on this side as well. Another thing too is from the Vista, you can also walk to Uptown. Uptown has hundreds, thousands of places that you can visit. Definitely in the just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of places you can visit. Shops, restaurants, night spots. And then there's downtown, which is quick. They have some great things to visit as well. So you're kind of sitting on by being in the Vista, you would be in the middle where it's kind of like easy access to all three. So it's really just a great area, y'all, and I hope you love it. And so now we're gonna go inside the Vista and see what it looks like. I think you'll be just excited. So let's walk into there.